how long you could survive on other planets in the solar system. Number 1. Mercury. The side that faces the sun is extremely hot, 427 degrees Celsius at its hottest. Conversely, the opposite side is freezing, minus 179 degrees Celsius at its coldest. If you could manage to be in the line between the two temperatures and rotate between them, then just maybe you could survive as long as you could hold your breath. Total time? About 2 minutes. Number 2. Venus. At 482 degrees Celsius, you already know this one isn't going to be pretty. By the way, Venus has about the same gravity as Earth, so you'd be very familiar walking around until you vaporize. Total time? Less than 1 second. Number 3. Earth. Thanks to the wonderful oxygen in our atmosphere, food and water, and everything else that makes our home planet livable, you can get in a good 80 years here. You may live even longer if you inhabit a blue zone, one of the several places on Earth where people tend to live much longer than the general population. Total time? About 80 years. Number 4. Mars. Mars is very cold, but the air is very thin. So the intensity of cold won't be as biting as it might otherwise feel at that temperature on Earth's. With some very warm clothing, you could probably walk around on Mars until you couldn't hold your breath any longer. Total time? About 2 minutes. Number 5. Jupiter. Being a gaseous planet, Jupiter would make for a uniquely uncomfortable life. In this enormous planet, you would descend forever into the gaseous atmosphere until you're crushed by the pressure of the planet's layers. Total time? Less than 1 second. Number 6. Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. As with Jupiter, you'd descend into these gas giants and ultimately be crushed by the pressure. Not even the rings of Saturn would provide you with a stable surface to walk on. Total time? Less than 1 second each. Thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.